Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to be reviewing this Polygel beginner kit that was sent to me by Makartt. You guys, I'm sure you guys heard of them before because they're really popular for their polygels and they're really popping on Amazon. So I'm going to leave the link to this in the description box below. So first I'm just going to show you guys what comes in the kit. It pretty much has everything that you need to do a polygel full set, honestly. So first on top you just see the instruction guide right there. Dang, I'm taking forever to show. Okay, so you see the instruction guide, and then you see the nail file. It's the 180 grit, 100 grit. Then you see the dual gel brush. It has one side a brush and one side is the spatula for the polygel. Then you see the 3 polygels and the nail slip solution. I have 3 colors: clear, natural pink, and dark pink. Then you have the dual forms. Then you have the base coat and the top coat. Y'all, the top coat is popping, okay? I used it in the end of the video, so you're gonna see that. Then you have this cute little mini nail lamp. It's 6 watts, so you need to use it twice. You just press it on the top to make it work, and it goes for 60 seconds, so you have to do it twice. So I thought that was really cool. So first, I'm just gonna do a little nail sample for you guys just to show you guys the colors of these polygels because I'm only using one color today, but I want to show you guys how they all look. So first, I'm starting off with the clear. The little nails I have right here are the dual forms. I don't know if you guys are familiar with dual forms, but basically it's just like you put the polygel on the dual form to put the dual form on your nail, then you cure it and you pop out the dual form, then you have a nail line. I don't know if you guys will want a video with me using those. If so, then just let me know. Then I'm just gonna use the natural pink. The natural pink is pretty cute too. You guys, I really did like the clear. I felt like the clear was actually clear. I've used polygel before, but this is only my second time with it, to be honest with you. But the first time I used the polygel, it wasn't from this company, it was from a different company, but it was more of a cloudy clear. It wasn't crystal clear, but the one from this beginner kit is definitely crystal clear. This light pink, well, the natural pink, is a very cute pink, and then we have the dark pink right there, and that's my favorite. You can see the difference between the 3 nails, and yeah. Alright, so now to set off the tutorial part of this video, you guys know I'm going to be doing a full set of polygel nails, just using everything that's included in this kit, with the exception of like 2 glitters and some stones. But like besides that, everything I'm using on my nails is from this kit, and besides the nail glue. But yeah, everything else is from the kit. So the kit to me is pretty cool. It's really good for beginners because like I said, it has everything that you need. It even includes the lamp. Like, come on, like you ain't even gotta buy the $35 lamp or $40, whatever the case. You get to just have the small mini lamps, you know. So to glue on my nail tips, I'm gonna use my Mia Secret Strong Jet Glue. You guys know this is my staple. I also use this glue to adhere my press-on nails. If you don't know, I do have a press-on nail business, so you can definitely catch that in the description box below. But this glue is perfect. Like literally, I popped the tips on, like it stuck in a second. I didn't have to hold it down for 20 seconds. I didn't have to hold it down for 10 seconds. This some good glue, okay? And you're gonna see later on in the tutorial, I did use it to adhere my stones as well. It works really, really well. So instead of my long nails, I'm gonna opt for some medium length nails. I usually like doing tapered square like I did in my last tutorial, but this tutorial I'm gonna switch it up and do coffin because I just want something different. So the nail file that came in the kit is the 100 grit / 180 grit. So I don't know if you guys know, but the higher the grit, the softer the sandpaper, really. So it's like a softer file. So I feel like with polygel is just like hard gel. For those of you guys who don't know, actually my bad, for those of you guys who don't know, polygel is literally like acrylic and hard gel mixed together. So it's like it doesn't dry until you cure it in the lamp, but it does have a sticky layer when you cure it, just like hard gel would, but it is very firm like acrylic. So it's actually pretty cool. I do feel like it's a perfect system for beginners because it's not super runny like hard gel, and it doesn't dry until you're ready for it to, unlike acrylic. So the nail file that came with this kit, I like to use it on top of my nail beds to blend in the tip with my nail. Then I'm going to take my own nail file, which is 80/80 grit. I got these from Amazon, I think, a long time ago. I like to use those to shape up my nails because I feel like it gives me a higher, like a better shape. So you're gonna see my nails right there. And I don't think I showed it, but I did prime my nails. I don't know if you have to a polygel, but I prime my nails all the time just to be sure. And then also you need to apply the base coat. I almost forgot this step, y'all, because I haven't done polygel nails in like a long time, but like I said, I've only done it one time before this one. But you do need to apply the base coat, so I'm using the base coat that came in the kit. Then once I'm done with that, you're just gonna cure it in your lamp. Now time for the fun part. So for my full set, I used the color dark pink, and y'all, this pink is so perfect to me. Like, it's still kind of see-through, so it's not super like opaque, but it is like, it's still a nice pink. Like, it still has some color to it, you know. It's not one of those things that come out the tube looking one color, then it's like on your nail it's like super clear. That's not it. This is a really cute pink. I really like it. So like I said, this is my second time using polygel, and when I tell y'all I struggled, okay, I had to get the hang of it. But once I did get the hang of it, I will say that honestly, this might be the move from now on, because y'all know I don't use acrylic. So I've been using hard gel, but y'all, this polygel, this may have to be the move, especially since I only do my own nails. So it's like, you know, why not? But the polygel, the tubes that came in this kit are not that big. I think they're like 15 milliliters or something like that. So they're not big at all. They're very small. So if I'm being honest, you could probably get like 2 full sets worth of it, depending on how long your nails are, of course, depending on which color you're using also. But that's just my assumption. I'm not really sure because I haven't used up the whole tube yet. But like I said, the color is really nice. One thing I did learn from using polygel, you do not want to do it the same way you would acrylic. So you see I keep dipping my brush in the slip solution. So if you don't have the slip solution, you can also use alcohol, you know, so either way it works, but you need something. You cannot just have the brush bare because it would just stick to the polygel, like it will not move. You need the slip solution so that you can move the polygel around on the nail and so that you can get it the way you want it to. So one thing I noticed is that I tried to do, when I used to do acrylic, you guys know how when you do acrylic, you put the brush in the monomer, then you tap off some of the monomer, then you pick up the acrylic. That's how I tried to do this until I learned you cannot do it that way, because like by you wiping off the slip solution, your brush is bare. So basically you need to have slip solution on the brush in order for you even to like shape the nail. So that's what I was doing. I ended up getting the hang of it. One thing I really like about polygel is like you can really build up the nail without having to cure it like right away, unlike hard gel, you know, or builder gel, because in my last tutorial you guys saw I use builder gel. And what polygel is perfect because you can still make your nails like pretty thick and sturdy without having to worry about the product running before you cure it, you know. The other thing I really like is how I can make it as perfect as I can and then cure it when I'm ready. I don't have to worry about it hardening up on me because like I'm taking too long or whatever. Because I did take a few minutes on each nail only because once I cured it, I didn't want to have to worry about having too much to file, because I feel like that kind of defeats the purpose. If you're working with a system where you already can take your time, I would rather have a smoother application so that once I already cure it, like I'm good to go. Basically just clean up the sides a little bit, buff off the top layer, then throw some gel polish on there, you know. So that's basically how I would like to do things. So yeah, you just see me just really smoothing out the polygel. So when I got the kit, the first thing I was really excited about was the nail lamp, to be honest with you. I just thought that was the coolest thing ever. Like, I never really seen anything like that. And I was like, oh, this would be a perfect replacement for my nail lamp, you know, until I realized that it's a smaller wattage. So I believe it's like 6 watts, which means that you'll have to cure your hand 2 times instead of 1. Yes, that's not a big deal, you know, but personally, I would more so use it for curing 1 nail at a time for only a few seconds. And then once I'm done with the entire hand, I will put my entire hand in the lamp and cure it like a deep cure. And I say that because, yeah, with polygel, you can literally work on each nail and not have to worry about it drying. But I don't know about y'all, but when I was doing this, I was really trying to be like have it neat and all of that, and I didn't want to take the risk of me doing my other nails and it like possibly nicking one of the ones that I already did and messing it up, because I was gonna be hot. So I just cured like one at a time, like on a little small lamp. Then when I was done with the entire hand, then I put it in my big lamp, you know. So that's personally how I would use the lamp. It's still very convenient if you don't have a big lamp. So yeah, I think the lamp is pretty cool. Yeah, I'm still on this middle finger. I told y'all, like, I was really struggling. Like, I'm really trying to clean up the sides, make it all flat and perfect and all that. So yeah, that's basically how I feel about the lamp, but it's really cool still. Like, the whole kit is pretty cool. I believe the kit is about $36 as well, and you can get it on Amazon Prime. Y'all know we love Prime. Okay, so yes, that will be in the description box below. So now it's my favorite part. I'm gonna do an encapsulated now. I'm gonna use this pink glitter that I got from Pink Planet, or what is it called, Glitter Planet UK, something like that. I'm gonna try to find it for you guys, the website, but I got it from there like almost 3 years ago, or maybe 4 years ago. I don't even know. It was a long time ago. I'm not sure if she still has it on the site, but I'm using this glitter. And then I'm gonna add these two pink butterflies from Zule's. I believe that's how you say her name, or Zuli or Zule, I don't know, but it's the woman that sells that really bomb nail glue, Zule's Big Cartel Her. So I'm gonna link that in the description box below as well. And I just did a thin layer of clear polygel. I did not cure it, and that's how I adhere the butterflies and the glitter. So I cured that, and now I'm applying some pink, the dark pink on top. Now I know what you're thinking. Why did you do that? Why didn't you use clear? Sis, I don't know. Okay, I really don't know, because I know I didn't want it to be crystal clear. I still wanted it to be a pink nail, you know. And I already know when you do this, it's cloudy. But I didn't know it was gonna look like that. Like, it looks cute, but I should have just used clear. So like at the end of the video, you're not gonna be able to tell probably, but I did remove the nail, and I did not remove the nail. I just removed the glitter and the butterflies. Then I did cap it with clear instead. I just redid it because it was driving me nuts. Like, I just kind of wanted like a crystal clear look, you know. Now all of my nails are cured, and it will have a sticky layer to it, or a tacky layer, so you're just gonna wipe it off with alcohol. Or I didn't even notice that the slip solution also acts as a nail surface cleaner, so you can use that as well. And now I'm just buffing off my nails or filing my nails. And I had to just cut some of this out because, y'all, I didn't realize I was out of frame the whole time. That's my goal for 2020, is to stay in the frame. Corinne, stay in the frame, because that's something I struggle with all the time. But yeah, I'm just gonna file this, so when I'm done, I'm gonna wipe my entire hand with alcohol. This will be the time for you to go wash your hands, but I was in my zone. I didn't feel like getting up. I had stuff to do, okay? So now I'm just wiping my hands thoroughly with some alcohol wipes. I keep those on hand because they're like really convenient than me like dumping alcohol onto like a paper towel or something. It's really convenient to have wipes. But y'all, look at that pink, honey. That pink, listen, I'm living, okay? I love the pink. But yeah, so that's just a preview of the nails, and now I'm gonna pull out my bling case because we're gonna bling some of these nails out, okay? Alright, so now I'm gonna put some of these stones on. Just a disclaimer, these are not Swarovskis. I got these stones from Amazon. I like them. They're good quality stones. I mean, they're not Swarovskis, but hey, they close, okay? I'm using the same glue that I used earlier, the Mia Secret glue, to adhere my stones. And you know, every person that does nails, whether you're a nail tech, nail enthusiast, whatever the case, everybody always search for the best glue to adhere the stones. Well, I've experimented with many glues, but this is the one, okay? This is really the one. I really like it. I just started using it like to adhere my stones. Come, like, if it could keep my nails on forever, I know it could keep some stones on, you know. So I started using it for my stones, and I'm like, I have no regrets. Like, honestly, this is the best glue ever. So I'm just, listen, look, I'm out of frame again. There I go. But yeah, I'm trying to do these stones placement. I don't know about y'all, but this is something I struggle with too. I struggle with finding the like bomb, like I struggle with like how can I say, having a bomb stone placement. Like, I feel like some people, it just comes naturally. Like, you can make a bomb blinged out nail, you know, but with me, I have to have some type of inspiration, or even with an inspiration picture, I mess it up. Like, I hate it. It's like, I love the bling, but I just don't know how to, like, freestyle from the top of my head, if that makes sense. But hey, some people are just more blessed than others, because people who could do that from their head, like freestyle, listen, you have a talent, okay? So now I'm just putting some caviar beads around the stones. Y'all, it was a mess. I just didn't know what was going on. But yeah, I'm trying to get it together. So I'm putting those caviar beads. Then once I'm finished with that, I'm just gonna top coat my nails using the Makartt top coat gel that came with the kit, y'all. And also once I was finished filming the video, I also applied some Daily Charm Unichrome on my nails. I applied it on all of my nails, but then on my middle finger, I only applied it at the top, like where that stone is right there. I applied it at the tip. And I will say the top coat by Makartt is super bomb, because it's a really nice shine. It is non-wipe, so that's perfect. Like, who still wipes their nails anymore? Nobody. But yeah, it's non-wipe, so that's perfect. It's like after you cure it for 60 seconds, it don't be sticky or nothing. You know how some gel polishes be like weird, like it can leave your thumbprint in it if you try to touch it. It's really weird. And chrome goes on there perfectly. So actually, I think I'm actually gonna buy me some of this gel top coat, because it's actually really good. Like, I really like it. And yeah, so that pretty much concludes the video. Yeah, and then you can also see me applying some of the top coat underneath the nail, just because it's see-through. If it was a dark colored nail, I would not do that, because what is the point? But since the nail is kind of see-through, I still wanted it to be like clear all around, because you know, you can still kind of see through it, but it's still popping nonetheless. So yeah, that concludes the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what else you guys want to see from me. I'm really trying to be up on my game with these nail videos, okay? That's my goal for this year. Make sure you check the link in the check the links in the description box for everything I mentioned in this video. And yeah, and also I have a quick question. Do you guys like the once a week uploads, or should I try for 2 a week? Let me know, and we're gonna get something popping, okay? Thanks again. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Corinne J. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.